Hello, my name is Gerald Pfeiffer. I'm a technical consultant at CA Broadcom in Germany. I'm a mainframer since '87 and I'm attending IDAC EMEA since '97. At CA Broadcom, I'm also responsible for mainframe DevOps and mainframe modernization. In this short video, we are talking about zParms. We will see an overview about the so-called zParms and how we can help you to show actual zParm values versus the defaults and how to change them easily. So to let you know, we will not talk about all of this. It was covered in so many great presentations and webcasts in the past. And that's why all of this is not a theme today. No set, no required privileges, no differentiation of groups, no removed and no performance issue parameters. We know it's a long list and there are big changes from DB2 version to DB2 version. Same for some of the minimum or maximum values. As far as I remember, we do have in version 12 more or less 4 times more zParm keywords as in version 5. That's why it's so important to get an easy overview and to know what is most helpful. Very quick, what can we find in the web? For example, there is some good information in the Knowledge Center. We can see here all parameters, the field names, which macro on which panel, and if you are able to update them online. If you click on the parameter name, it shows the acceptable values, the defaults, how to update, tips, and so on for every single parameter. A very helpful website for our topic. But what about us? On the following slides, we will get a quick overview how our solutions can help you and where you can find that. Let's take a deeper look on our CA database management solutions for DB2 and what perfect help they will give us. Starting with the main menu in one of our DB2 solutions. We do have several options, but we take a look at viewing or maintaining DB2 parameters. We will start with VZ to view the DSN zParm parameters. Later, we will see also VD, and we will also enter U to get the chance to update the DB2 parameters. After we entered option VZ to get the DSN zParm display, we see the first page of parameters, their description, the value in the subsystem and the keyword name. We can scroll through all the 321 parameters or find one directly. To do this, we use the find command to jump to one of the keywords. Let's take a look at one of the other options at the main menu, VD. This is the display if we entered the option VD on the main menu. Now we see the application programming defaults and they look the same as the DSN zParms before, with information about the description, value in the subsystem and the keyword name. Again, we can scroll through the 30 lines or use the find command. And as another hint, if you don't know where to find something in our products, you will find the answer in our tech docs. You, as one of our customers, have access to the tech docs with many helpful informations. In our case, the link to the CA database management solution for DB2, where you can search for whatever you want or directly for DB2 DSN zParms in a helpful table display. As you can see at the scroll list on the left-hand side of the second pick, you can find entries for all other parameters as well. Back to the products for what we can do and what they show. Coming from option U on the main menu, maintain DB2 parameters, this is the full overview for all parameters which could be changed. We can see here for easier usage they are ordered and logically grouped by 10 for buffer pool, 14 for performance, 15 for storage, 24 for utilities, or on the second half of the screen, 13 for application programming. Entering option 18 as one of my 2-days examples, we can see DDF and data sharing parameters, the original value, the current value for this subsystem, and the desired value for the wanted change. Very easy to get and very easy to change. As another example, we see option 13 on this slide. Now we see the mentioned DB2 application programming defaults. In this case, page 1 of 3. We can see here, as well as in the other screens, there are no big changes because it's a little DB2 demo system from us. If we take a deeper look in another part of our Broadcom solutions, we will get also a lot of useful and helpful information. See the solution overview in the picture and the description. In our case, we just take a short look into the DB2 system activity of CA ZisView for DB2, because here we will get the wanted information about our system parameters. When we access CA ZisView for DB2, we will see the following menu with all the possible actions, many useful options and additional some hidden commands. We will use one of them, display zParms, because this is our today's topic. This is the result of the zParms command. We already scrolled down to see the application programming defaults again. We can see at the row information where we are and how many different rows we could see. And for sure, the find command would work as well. Here, for my opinion, very helpful. If we press PF1, help, on any parameter, we will get the description for the chosen parameter. We see the parameter description inside the help box. The row information shows if there is more to scroll down. After we scrolled till the end, CA ZisView let you know, even if you can see that clearly by yourself. And yes, this is also the end of my short CA Broadcom DSN zParm tips and tricks presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question regarding our today's topic or any CA DB2 solution, or if you want information about mainframe DevOps with Zoe Brightside, please feel free and contact me by mail, on LinkedIn, or at Twitter. Thanks a lot for your attention. Have a good day and goodbye.